Ladies and gentlemen, Catwell welcomes you to Miami. We just landed at Miami's International Airport.
Hey guys, good morning from Miami. It's my first time here in this US state, but actually my main purpose for being here is to go on a cruise, which is all thanks to MSC Cruises. After all, they have invited me on this amazing 8-day itinerary wherein we will make stops into places like the Bahamas, St. Martin, Puerto Rico, and the US Virgin Islands. And yes, these are all places that I haven't been to yet, so I'm quite stoked about this. Not to mention the fact that this is going to be my very first time on a huge cruise ship. And of course, I'm not counting the experience that I had on my expedition cruise to Antarctica because that is entirely different. For one thing, that ship didn't have gigantic pools or huge entertainment complexes, which is what I will be seeing on the ship, which is by the way called as MSC Seaside. Now of course, I have done my Google homework and I've seen photos of it online, and it's an understatement to say that I am very excited about this trip. So without further ado, let's head on to the port and start the check-in process. Finished giving me a nice and warm welcome, and I'm looking for my room now. I finally found my room. Oh my gosh! Look at that! This is amazing. Okay, wait, let's do it one by one. Let's check the toilet or bathroom. Oh, better than I expected. Hi guys. So yeah, we have this big shower right here, towels, some other stuff to use, and then let's go and tour the room now. A big couch right there, and oh my god, this is a very nice welcome. Wow. Wait, let's open this up. What is this? Is it a white wine? Yeah, it's sparkling wine. We have here fruit balls. We have here some drawers. That there is a safety box. Have some slippers over here. Some extra compartments. Hangers. This is for laundry. Yep, laundry service. And then some bathrooms. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the minibar. Some beers, spirits, juice, snacks, seat over here. This drawer, yep, it's a drawer. Oh, here's the hair dryer. There's some other extras, phone, and the TV, some magazines. Oh, this is nice. I can order breakfast in my room. The bed is in twin style because I'm actually traveling right now together with my friend who I am bringing along on this trip. And she's Oludia. You've seen her before in my past videos, and I'll also introduce her to you later on because she's arriving after me. But anyway, beside the bed we have here some personal lamps. Oh wait, what? Oh, I'm turning off the lights. Actually, so this is like a master button. Is that how you call it? Master switch. Oh yeah. For the lights in the room, to turn this on, it will have to be these buttons, obviously, Eileen. A reading light right here. Pool and beach towel service. That's good. Oh, I guess they gave me a letter. I'll read that later on. And they already have given me the daily program. So they told me that they will be giving this every day so that we are informed of the activities that we can do in and out of the ship. Let's just explore what's gonna happen now. Basically, there's going to be a compulsory emergency drill for all the guests by 4 p.m. So I have some time to just chill here in the room. I'll discuss that more later on. So wait, let me just show you guys how big the room is. Now, let's explore the balcony. Hello, Miami. This is going to be the perfect spot to look at all the scenery while we make our way to the other islands. This is going to be a very, very fun time. By the way, MSC has this amazing app called this MSC for Me. So in here, other than things like seeing the map of the ship as well as some of the other amenities and restaurants that they have, you can also see here the things that you have booked in your account. You can also reserve shows that you would like to see, which I've already done. So once I did that, there is this section here called this personal agenda. So it's basically the summary of things that I have put under my schedule. So it's a pretty efficient thing to have. Personally, it makes me feel less overwhelmed by the number of things that I can do in the ship. Oh, welcome!
We're here!
We're finally leaving. Hi, Miami! Thank you.
Hey!